I'm back for the second part of Zach Imagine. Part 1 was still on. Let's carry on watching it, and I'm going to edit some music in on the background. See you in a minute. Yeah. Bye. See you in a minute. It's like tense. Oh, wait, I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to edit the music out. Okay, let me go back. Okay, your dad grabs you and takes you to the forest and beats you. You start screaming and crying, but no one heard. Oh my god, so scared. Your dad, I hate you. Why did you move away? Because you hurt me and leave scars, and Mum actually cares now. Slaps you in the face. Ow. And hits you in the head with a beer bottle. Won't be painful, won't it? Everything goes black. Oh my god. I need to grow up. Zach gets worried about you and calls you, but you don't reply. So Zach runs to your mom and no one has seen you. So they file a police report and they go out looking for you. Guys, I just realised I can see where Rena is. That creep. Shut up. Corbin. Sorry, I couldn't think for a minute. That can help find her. Oh yeah. Where does it say she is? In the forest. We should go and call the cops to come with us. We can do this. Thank you so much. Step away from her now. Yeah. Jack's just like, yeah. Point. So not at the head. At your arm. Come closer, I'll shoot. Just let her go. No. The cops come in. Yeah. Just back away from her. Put the gun down, said the cop. I feel terrified. Drops gun. Arrest him. Well, now I'm arrested. Here. Runs up to you and starts crying. She'll be okay, Zachary. Yeah. Daniel. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Daniel, she's bleeding to death. Dude, chill. I'll drive everyone. Get in. You're on the way to hospital. Well, I'm so scared. At the hospital, it should say. Hey, she'll be okay. She just needs a lot of rest. Oh, thank God. Yay. She'll be okay. Sorry, I just can't stop laughing. She'll be okay. Starts crying of tears of joy. Okay. I told you. Yep. You wake up, kisses you on the nose. Holy crap, I love you so much. You don't even know. Oh, Zachary, I love you so much. I will hold your hand. Hugs you, 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 and hugs you. See, hugs you. Lie. Your mum gives you flowers and kisses you on the cheek. You know Zach is the reason we found you. Hi, Zach. Kisses you on the head. Oh, goals. So cute. And then them two kiss each other. Sam and Ryan, I think it is. Can't remember. Zach's home alone, so he picks you up and takes you to his house and pins you against the wall. Makes out with you. Poor me. Makes out with Zach. puts his hand around your waist and makes out with you. Open Zach's door. Dang, no joke. You guys are going private and nobody else allowed. Get out, Corbin. He's like, oh no, I've been caught. Run. Let's just watch TV. Okay, baby. Stranger Things. Okay. Puts on Stranger Things. You and Zach cuddle and you fall asleep. Then your phone rings. Ooh, they're gonna be my dad. Oh, wait. Wakes up. Okay, I wake up. Hello, mommy. Hello, mom. Where are you at? Zach's good night, good night. Hangs up. Okay, so I hanged up. Here's one of my shirts, baby girl. Thank you, Zachary. You look super hot. This would be me. Shut up, Zach. Only one way. You know me so well. I know, baby. Hugs and cuddles you. Cuddles back and falls asleep. Kisses you on the head and falls asleep with you in his arms. Oh, sweet. Also, the reason why I'm red is it's sunburn. Okay. Okay. Wakes up. Morning, my princess. Morning, my love. Let's go make breakfast. Okay. Actually, let's go out. I hop. I hope. Is that meant to be what? I hop. Yes. Let's go. Love. Kiki. Baby. So how do you like pancakes? How do you like our pancakes? Amazing. How are yours? Perfect. Not as perfect as you though. Oh, baby. Leans over the table and kisses you. Kisses back. Hey Zach, hi Rena. Hello. Hey, I was gonna say hello boys. I was gonna say hey boys, but I said hello boys. Guys, really, we gotta check up on our little bro. Yeah. Whatever. Can we sit with you guys? Sure. You all have a blast. Good, we better have a blast. Otherwise I'll shoot someone. Especially me. Later that night, you, Zach, Sammy, Ryan all hang out in the basement having a blast. Hey Sammy. What? Will you be my girlfriend? Heck yes! Your mom. Sammy, Zach, and Ryan. Rena, Sammy, Zach, and Ryan. Food's here. Y'all run upstairs. Autocorrect you there. Sammy grabs her pizza. So does Ryan. You and Zach. Y'all go downstairs and watch Friday the 13th. Ooh, me in. Then you'll make a blanket fall and fall asleep. Come on, Zach. Come on, Ryan. Time to go home. What a horrible parent I have. You and Sammy wake up, hug and kiss your boyfriends goodbye. Well, you're gonna see them in the morning. Then your mom let you and Zach go to the beach and look at the stars. What about your sister? Hey Rena, yes baby. Did you know I'm a popular boy band called Why Don't We? Me and my 4 best friends are in the band. We and my best friends are in the band with me. Oh my god, oh my god, Zachary. Sorry, I had to say it like that. I didn't want it to be like my ex who dated me for being in a band and not for me. So she dated you for fame? Yeah. I would never, Zachary. I can tell. I'm having a blast here. I hope you don't feel lonely. We got FaceTime, baby, and social media, it just wouldn't be the same. I'm sorry. Family first, huh? Your fans are your popularity, your family, then they will get put before me. Hugs you. I leave in a week. Hugs back and tries not to cry. Yes. I'll call you every day, every night, every time I get a chance. Okay, baby. Baby. Thank you for understanding. I get to babysit Reese, Ryan. I'm so excited. I'm so happy you love them and they love you. Oh, baby. You lay in bed thinking about what Zach said, so you decide to look up why don't we and start jamming out. What, so you like this? Okay. I'll be back in a minute once I'm on my, I forgot what you called it. I'll be back. Okay. So this is basically her. One minute.
You got a bad reputation in my neighborhood. You drive me mad with temptation, 'cause it tastes so good. You know I wouldn't walk away, even if I could. It took one night, one try, hey, I'm hooked.
The next day, Zach invites you over, so you get up and leave. Okay? Okay. Oops, I went on full screen. You go in Zach's house and he hugs you so tight. I'm gonna miss you so much. Me too, Zach. You're my life. You're my life too. Kisses Zach. Puts on words I didn't say. Dang it, Zach. This one always get me. Wait. Dang it, Zach. This one always get me. Okay? Wait, but that's one of his songs? And she didn't know who they were. Unless she just cried to it last night. Okay. We're just gonna watch the end of this video. I can live without you. I hope you forgive it. Okay. Then all the boys come over after Zach's done packing. You guys order pizza and sit watching Stranger Things in Riverdale. Why Riverdale though? Just why? Let's watch something scary. How about The Conjuring? I actually hate scary movies. I'm here for you. Ugh. I mean, Zach. Yeah, if you get scared, you can cuddle me. Thank you, Zach. Zach and Rena are my parents. Oh my god. When you go home, you go to bed, and the boys have to go to bed as well. Okay. The next day, you wake up early and hug Zachary so tight. You both cry so much, kisses you. I love you so much. I love you. All the other boys hug you, and you stand there crying. Oh, me sad. That's just sad. Hey, baby. No. I need to see what the text said. Hey, baby girl, I miss you. Okay, let's just quickly read this. Hey, baby girl, I love you so much, and I miss you. I miss you too. I'm listening to words I didn't say in tears. Oh, baby, I wish I could hug you. I need a hug from you soon, baby. Soon. I got to go. Love you, Zachary. Love you too. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. Love you all so much. Peace out. Bye.